Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use stock screener in TradingView. If you want to try out yourself, you can check the description down below. So let's start. First of all, you can open up the stock screener panel down below left side corner, and you can see this is the stock screener. You can set by category from maybe from US, Canada, or even Singapore or other country. Later I will teach you how to set for the location. And first of all, you will have this refresh interval. So basically you can just refresh your stock, or maybe you can customize your setting to refresh every 10 seconds. Next, you'll have your overview column platform. You can customize your column based on your preference. For example, you can set for dividend screener. And next you'll have this. Basically you can customize the category column. You want to have changes in your table, you can customize here. You can customize other setting from the bottom side. You can check this out later. And next you'll have your overview tab. This will indicate the overview performance for the screener, and you also can option it out to performance. This will show the stock performance for the past 1 month, 5 months, 15 months, and others. So basically you can just change these settings to your desired settings, and after that you can also export the file to Excel file to your desktop, and you also can set for the time interval for the stock setting. Besides, you also can set the USD, the currency, and for this is a quite important screener. You can set the screener to extract out maybe for the top gainer for the past 1 day. Basically you can see this will show the top percentage, top gainer 20%, and you can see the technical rating from the stock. So basically this stock has just break out for 20%, and will filter out to the highest, from the highest to the lowest. And lastly, you also can customize your panel. For example, you can set for the exchange, you want to choose for others exchange, and you also can customize for the sector to have screen out. Maybe you can customize your sector to commercial service or even other service. So basically you can adjust this setting here from this filter panel. So basically that's how you can use your stock screener to find out the best trading, to have the guide from overall screener. And also you also can filter out this bottom column to maybe sort it out by alphabet or other setting. You can change it here. And also this, you also can change from highest to lowest by pressing it. So basically that's all how to use stock screener in TradingView. So that's all. Thank you very much.